Namaste. Here in this video I am going to explain synchronous up counter, and you can observe the diagram of synchronous block diagram of the synchronous up counter. Here we have J K flip flop we have taken, J K flip flop 7476 IC we have used, J K flip flop we have taken 3 J K flip flops, and we have made the connections like this. And you can observe synchronous down. Why the name synchronous means for all the 3 J K flip flops we have taken the common clock, and here also we have taken the common clock. For the asynchronous up counter we have taken different clock pulses. You can observe here for the first JK flip flop we have taken the clock from the clock itself, system clock, and from the next what we have done is output of the first flip flop is given as the clock to the second flip flop, and for the third one like that it continues. Output of the second flip flop is given as the clock for the third one. That's why it is called asynchronous counter. And this is synchronous up, this is synchronous down. The circuit diagram goes like this. Circuit diagram, for the circuit diagram again design is required. From the design we are getting these kind of connections. In this synchronous asynchronous down counter also the same, it will go like that, clock, and here also the clock. Here you observe one thing, in the asynchronous down counter what you need to do is you have to give the clock for the second flip flop from the first flip flop's inverted output. So that is what we have fed here, and here also we have done like that, same only. So I will show the this one, what is that truth table. In this one I will explain it. So in this up counter, synchronous up counter as well as asynchronous up counter, it will change clock for the same different clock pulses. Suppose if I change the clock pulses continuously, what happens means first you will get 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Next again it repeats 000 like that. In the down counter it is again a 3 bit we have taken, because 3 flip flops only we have taken considered. So it is again, you can observe, suppose if it is having 111, so 110, then 100, like that it continues, and it will come to still 000. And here we have a mod 10 counter using 7490 IC. Mod 10 counter means it has to count from 0 to 9, it has to count. It should not count to 10. Suppose if it is going to count 10, if it 10 comes means what they have done is they have taken from QD to QB, they have given it to the R1 and R2. So it resets. So it will continuously count from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 you can observe here 000 to 1, it is 1001 till there it counts. That is using 7490 IC. And from using the same 7490 IC, you can construct a mod 6 counter also. Here you can see the mod 6 counter. Mod 6 counter should count from 0 to 5. So 6 should not come. 6 means 100. So 6 means 110. So you can observe if it comes 111, it will make it as reset. You can observe here. So how they have made the connections. See here it is 11. Suppose if it comes to 6, that is 11. If QC and QB becomes 11, so it is given to the R2 and R1 and R2. So it will make, what it will do is it will reset the IC. So what happens? It will count from 0 to 5. That is why the name it is mod 6 counter. And mod 4 it is given. In the mod 4 what changes we have to make is it has to come from 0 to 3. 3 means it should not count to 4. 3 means it will become 1 0 and 0. That is what we are calling 3 means 0 1 1, and 4 means 1 0 0. See if it becomes 4. Once it becomes 4, you can observe directly from here they have given, and they have given it to the R1 and R2. They have shorted, that is R1 and R2, that is pin number 2 and 3 is shorted. What it will do is it will reset the counter. That is it will count from again from 0. So 0 to 3 it will go, and again it resets. These are the truth table. Truth table is nothing but it will go like that only. Mod 8 is also there, the same connection like that only. We have to do small modifications we have to do. Mod 8 means it has to count from 0 to 7. It should not count 8. Suppose if 8 is there means from here, that is from the QD connection, it has directly given it to the, you have to short like this. From this you can observe here in this one, if I take from QD and if I short these two and if I give it, then it will become mod 8 counter. So all the any number of counters we can design here using any modes. Mod counters, see here different mod, meaning of mod is it is nothing but to different states. So here mod 4 means 4 different states will be there. Thank you.